Another week of getting ready with me to work with what I have in my closet. Guys, it is so cold outside. When I said cold, it's cold. The ice is just snowing the whole of the weekend. Just crazy. But the kids, they love it because they build snow pop and they go play outside. You can never catch me outside on this time because it is really, really cold. So yeah, this is my basic layer. It's cold outside, so I really went for a thick legging today and this really thick wool cotton. This is 100% wool. It's very, very warm. I love it. I'm just gonna wear a t-shirt today because it's cold, just to keep me warm. But I also don't want to dress overdress. As my workplace is extremely hot, you don't want to dress too tight, too much clothes, and then when you're at work, you have to take everything out because it's so warm in there. So I just tend to keep it a bit simple. Have my basic layer. Today I'm just going for this black pants. It's a bit light. It's not like winter kind of pant, but because of the legging, it's extremely thick and it's warm. And also my workplace is really, really warm, so I don't want to be wearing too much clothes, and then when I'm there I'm extremely uncomfortable um to work, so I don't really want it. So I just decided to just go for this. And also in the house is hot, so the only place that I'm feeling cold is when I'm outside, and I'm not outside for long, maybe like 5-10 minutes with the bike to my workplace. So I'm not going to be outside for a really long time. So yeah, have this on. Okay, and I'm gonna wear this. I got this from, I don't know where I got this from actually. I don't know where I got this from, but I think from Zalando also as well. I also got it from, most of my clothes I got from Zalando. There's also one thing that I've been really obsessed about is the materials, the materials that my clothes are made of. This one thing I've been really obsessed about on TikTok. I've been looking a lot of this 100% cotton. Sorry, this 100% cotton. That's something also I have been looking into this last few days since I decided to like wear the stuff in my clothes. I want to really know what are my clothes made of, the materials. So that's something I've been really studying. I didn't know that I have a lot of polyester stuff in my wish list on Zalando. So I went in and I get rid of all of those because those things are really expensive. Like the clothes I have in my wish list are really expensive, and to find out that everything, most of them are made of polyester, it was crazy. It was crazy for me because like when I look at the price and I look, okay, the materials are not really, really good, but then it's so expensive. So I kind of like swipe everything off my wish list. Everything that is made of polyester, I swipe everything. I try, now I'm intentionally buying things that are made from wool or cotton, or how the this one thing I get to know. Oh, there's this animal stuff. I forgot the name. I I forgot the name, but I have a jacket that is made of it, and I really didn't know about that. Actually, for me, I just see something and I like it and I buy it. I don't really look for the materials that that the stuff is made of. I don't really look at it. But this few days of me not really shopping and really wanting to buy good material stuff that lasts for a while, I have been really investing my time into watching stuff that my clothes are made from. And I'm kind of really glad that I did that because half of my wish list of the stuff that I have are made from polyester. So I kind of like get rid of all of those things. I get rid of all of those things and I keep the ones I'm made of wool, cotton, and linen, and what's the other name? Sleek. I'm learning. Okay, I'm learning. I'm a work in progress. Every day I'm learning. So yeah, and also what is this? Alpaca. Alpaca. What's the name of the animal? I can't remember. But crazy, I'm really learning a lot of amazing stuff this few weeks. It's crazy. So yeah, it's a work in progress. And also one thing that Salando is doing to me is Salando. I don't know whether Salando is a work in progress or say enemy of progress or what. I don't know. Now that I've said to myself in 2026, I'm not going to be doing any shop because I have a lot of clothes that I haven't wear. I have a lot in my wardrobe, so I want to wear those things. I want to rotate my clothes, you know. Now that I make that decision, why am I getting cotton code from Zalando? I'm getting like a cotton code for 50% discount, and almost half of the stuff I have in my wish list, they're all on discount now. Like when I say discount, they're all on discount, good prices, good good prices. There's this dress that I wanted to buy. It's around 400 euros, something like that, 500 euros, and now they have a discount for 225, 250 around those, 225, 250 around those price. And I'm like, what are these people? Are they anywhere progress? But then I didn't buy it. I was this tempted. I was like, just this one dress. But then I said to myself, what about the orange dress that I bought the last time? The orange dress that I bought like almost a year ago, almost a year or more than a year ago, I bought an orange dress, way expensive, and I haven't wear that dress. I haven't wear that dress. It's still in my closet with a tag on it. I haven't wear it. It's a beautiful long orange dress, very beautiful. Definitely, I'm gonna wear this summer. But I bought it like last year, and I never get to wear it. I haven't wear it. So I thought of that dress, and I thought, you know what? Just leave it there. Leave it there. My birthday is coming, and if I really want it, I'm gonna get it for my birthday as a birthday gift for myself. But let me just leave it there, and I leave it there, and I was really proud of myself. I was really proud of. I'm like, you know what? Give it 24 hours. I mean, think of it 24 hours. Do you have anywhere to go right now that you need this dress? It's a summer dress. And I'm like, no. And I'm like, how many dresses do you have in your closet that you haven't wear? And I was like, a lot. And then I was like, you know what? Let me just leave it. And I just closed the app and I leave it. And I was so proud of myself for doing that because the army in me would just buy it. But I was really proud of myself. Yeah. So guys, this is the outfit look. Just one of my favorite work shoe. It's cold outside, but I'm still gonna with my bald head. I'm gonna put on a cap on, um, just to keep my head warm. But I'm still going with my bald head because it's simple. I like it. I like my bald head. I like going to work with my bald head. It's comfortable, and it's just nice. You know, it's much comfortable, and I don't want to wear a wig. And my workplace is very hot, so I'm not complaining about cold there. It's just like for me from my home to there, that's where I'm gonna feel a little bit of cold. But when I'm there, I don't feel any cold, so I'm kind of okay. So lip gloss. I leave this lip gloss at home because I really do not need it. This one stays the whole time and it lasts. Let me look at the time so I don't get late. So yeah, this is the outfit look of the day. Okay, I don't like the mark of the t-shirt showing. I don't like this. It's showing right here. I don't like it. So bring it. Yeah. Oh God. Oh, whew, that was close. So guys, this is the outfit look of the day. A new week of getting ready with me to work with what I have in my closet. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Simple as here, bedankt voor de liefde en ondersteuning. En ik zie jullie op de volgende video. Peace out.